lots of mangrove. Look at the trees, the crop root, guys. This is a type of root you always find in the mangrove. Look at that beautiful one across there. Nature, nature, nature. I think I told you all I am a nature lover. I really feel at home in this type of environment. It's so relaxing and soothing. Watch the roots again. Oh, what a beauty. We're coming to the bridge. There's a bridge here made from the trees. Guys, look at it. Man-made natural bridge. Oh, head over. As a child, I was always fascinated with these type of roots. Just to swing on, you know, looking at Tarzan movies. You get all that excited when you see these types of roots. You say, yeah, I want to swing too from tree to tree. Look how amazing, guys. Oh my God. Wow. Well, if you are planning to come to Trinidad and Tobago and you decide to take one of these tours to see the scarlet ibis and our bird sanctuary, there's also tours that include dinner. So you can dine in, relax and view. Hi, say hi. Hi. Darian. Hi. So I understand that Nanan Tours is about to start doing the walking tours, hiking. So as soon as that hiking begins, guys, I want to be on that trail because I'm a lover of hiking as well. Apart from nature lover, hiking, everything. Actually, I don't know what I don't like, to be quite honest. But see you in my next video. Bye.